Good morning. It's 7 a.m. My wife usually films these things, but today is a little different. So me and Bigfoot are headed out to Crabtree Meadows with Virginia Area Broncos on our own. Crabtree Meadows is near the Blue Ridge Parkway, and let's see if I can actually film this solo. We'll see how it goes. See ya.
Destination Bigfoot Bronco. Destination Bigfoot Bronco. Big kicks, big drops. Let's go, go, go.
So just pulled up to Bass Pro Shops here in Ashland, Virginia. We're meeting the 757 crew. They're coming up from the Hampton Roads, Norfolk, Virginia Beach area. And I'm meeting Johny, Gribble, and Sean Jordan. They're putting on the ride here for Virginia Area Broncos. So I'm going to sit here a little bit longer, wait for everybody else, and around 9:30, hopefully we'll roll out. So we're leaving Bass Pro Shops now, driving down 95, headed over to 64. We're headed to Crozet. There's 12 of us total in this group. We're going to meet up with another at a gas station. I believe there's going to be anywhere from 8 to 12 more. And then after that, we are going to head to Crabtree Meadows. Pretty simple trail, nothing much to it. Probably don't even need four-wheel drive, but anyway, it'll be a good day. A lot of Broncos and a lot of new people. So we'll see how everything turns out. Catch you at the gas station. So we made a quick pit stop here in Crozet, Virginia. We're at the BP station and we met up with about 8 or 9 other Broncos, and here we are lined up kind of in a horseshoe here. So everyone's kind of refueling up, and then we're going to head out and hit the trail, Crabtree Meadows. Pretty simple trail. So no Broncos should have any issues. But yeah, it's a good lineup. Looks like right around 20 or so total. Oh my gosh, who we have over here? It's Steve and Drew.
Hi.
Are you excited about the trail?
Yes, I'm excited.
Is this your first time on this trail?
Yes, it is.
Okay,
No,
great.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
And here's the lovely wife, Diane Drew. How are you?
I'm good.
What are you eating?
Pizza!
Oh, nice.
Gas station pizza. That's great stuff.
First of all, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Oh man, I know it's been a long day already. Mine started at 4:30. Good morning. Hey, first of all, on behalf of Johnny and myself, Jamie, Virginia Area Broncos, thank you guys for all coming out. It means a lot to us. I know it's been a 2-month wait. We had a reschedule, but I appreciate the enthusiasm, y'all sticking with all of us. So really, this is it's awesome, and to see everybody get together, it's pretty cool, right? Yeah. I know we got a lot of new Broncos. I think we got a 300-mile Bronco.
265.
265.
Nice.
We're gonna break him in.
That's the way to do it.
I love that.
Nice.
He didn't even hit the 500 break-in miles. He said, "Send it, send it. We're going to the trail."
We're going to go down, get back on the interstate, go across Afton Mountain, and we're going to get off at exit 96. At the end of that road, there's a church. We're going to pull in. I want to get you guys behind somebody that's experienced, because from that point, we're going to be in line till we get to the trail. So I just want you guys to be able to follow somebody's line that's been off-road before, because this trail, about the first mile and a half in, is flat. There's shoulders, so I'm not worried about anybody running off the road. But as we get in there, it winds up and down the mountain, and it does have drop-offs on the side. At the end, at the bottom of this, we call it the mountain road. At the bottom of this road, there is a spot with a pull-off that has a waterfall. It's not a big one, but it is a waterfall. Jamie's going to jump out at that spot and take pictures of each one of you guys
That's coming through
as you come by, so we can send it out to you. So it's pretty cool.
Yeah,
you know.
yeah, it's going to be very memorable. It's very scenic. You're going to have a great view of the mountain. But we're recommending, because there was some areas that were a little slick, but it's safe. So we picked that line. We stay together. That's why we want to pair you up. Stay in the line, and we'll get down to the bottom. Just want everybody to have a good time. Now, the other piece is, I had some questions in Bass Pro. What's going to happen at the very end of this? We're going to Devil's Backbone Brewery and Base Camp. Jamie, anything you want to add?
No, I don't think so. Like I said, once we get to the trail, if you see me pull off, it's just me pulling off, so I can take videos and pictures and everything else. And what I'll do is I'll let everybody get past me, and then I'll fill right in behind. So I'll try to get whatever I can to everybody the best I can.
Okay, we're headed out of BP Station here, and we're getting ready to head to Crabtree Meadows.
Oh man, almost feel like I should have the Shelby on this one. Yeah, it's got a little tail to drag it while I'm going north. 100%.
Okay, we've arrived at Crabtree Meadows, and it looks like they recently regraded all of this, so we'll see how the rest of the trail looks. So we are officially on Crabtree Meadows. Beautiful, beautiful trail. Mostly scenic, nothing too hard. No obstacles or, anything like that, but it's just about being out here with everyone else. That's what makes it all worth it.
Yeah, this is like when we test drove it, Johnny.
something about being in the woods, being in nature is just, I don't know, just relaxing, so relaxing.
And park on the trail. We can get everybody in the parking lot. That's all.
The West Gate.